What's going on, guys? Alright, just real quick before this video gets started, I do want to say the beginning of this video that you guys are about to watch, the first 11 minutes or so, is gonna be from 2 months ago. I will explain later at the end of the video, but just know this first part is from 2 months ago. And let's get this video started. Here we go. What's going on, everybody? Welcome back to another video. This is your boy Hemi Life. Thanks for tuning in once again. Hope you guys are having a wonderful day. Today's video, I'm with my boy Jay, and as you guys can see by the title and thumbnail, I'm super excited. We are finally installing Underglow. What do you got to say about that, brother? It's about to look dope. He's drained, but we're about to get this looking right. So basically, we're gonna have Underglow around the whole car. Huge shout out to Lighting Trends, my sponsor. Thanks for hooking me up with these. But without talking too much, I got these ramps over here. We're about to get the car on and lifted, and then we're just gonna start installing. Here we go, let's get it. E-brake. Alright guys, we got the car nice and lifted, and basically you get 2 long ones for the side and 2 small ones for the front and the rear. Basically you get 2 sides, this side and that side. And if you look over here, let the camera focus if it will. Alright, there you guys go. You can see it says 12 volt do and something else. On this side it's gonna say do, and then on this side it's gonna say DI. And basically for all of them, you're gonna want to connect your extension or right into the controller if it's that big on the DI side, not the do side, and that's because the instructions said so. So make sure you guys read the instructions. The do end will not be used in this application. The DI side, the extension wire gets plugged into. So that's that. So you plug them into the no, that is on the other side, the small extension. And they give you 2 20-something feet extension and 2 16 feet extension, I think. So I have.
You want to put Velcro on?
No.
Like extra support if they sag?
The screw should be enough.
Find out.
And then you have 1 screw here and 1 screw on the other side. And that's how they stick on them. So basically the side that you're not going to be using, you just hide it somewhere. And then this is for the controller. You plug them into here. You just connect the wires and screw it. And then this, it gets connected positive and negative. And then this gets wired into the controller for positive and ground. And we're gonna be bringing all the wires. We're gonna make a hole somewhere here maybe, and then put silicone around it, and then just connect it over here and keep the controller in the back. So we're gonna start. We're gonna find a good place to mount these, and I'll just pick you guys up once we're done mounting all of them. Alright guys, quick update. So we ended up installing this one with just the 2 bolts, and it kept hanging from the middle. So I went and bought some double-sided tape.
Told you I'm right.
Told you I'm right. Shut up. He wanted to use Velcro. Hey Ellen, my boy Ellen came through. What do you think, Velcro or double-sided?
Double-sided, bro. You can't go wrong with that.
Know the difference.
Yeah, yeah. This guy.
Once this starts sagging in a month, come back to me.
Bro, I've had my easy lip. Look.
What brand is it? Is it 3M?
3M, bro.
3M's not gonna come off.
Look, I've had this side skirt double-sided tape. Look at it. It hasn't came off. Bro, you know what happened there, though.
What happened to the other side?
The other side's not sagging.
You replaced the other side.
No, I didn't. No, I didn't. Look at the other side. Look at the other side.
You replaced one on the side.
Bro, chill out, bro. Double-sided tape,
That's
bro.
what I thought.
Alright, so now we're gonna try to install it again.
What is up, guys? Hemi Life back here. Come back with a brand new video. We're installing some underbody lights, LED with Jaffa.
You do know this is edited, right?
Oh, is it actually recorded?
Yeah.
What up, guys? And what we doing here? We got my RAM, a little ice charger.
All right, guys. Update number 3. Tell them what we did so far.
We're doing some modifications to this charger right here. We're putting some undercarriage lights. I asked him if it was illegal. He's like, obviously it's illegal, but do I give a no?
Alright, guys. So we got the underglow all installed, and I got the front and this side, the wires all tucked and everything, and we have them coming out here to the back. We're getting ready to poke the hole somewhere over here. I don't know where. And then we're just gonna wire that set side, and then we still have to find a place to wire it or hook up that one, because if you see over here, there's not really enough space to do anything. So yeah, we're trying to.
Which one's the red?
Huh?
Which one's the red? One of these? This one? Oh no.
Why are you touching it?
That shock me?
Yeah, it's gonna shock you.
Oh.
Not really. The battery's still on.
Oh, I need a knife. Might not even have to drill a hole to the middle.
We don't need to drill a hole?
Not to the body.
Oh. I'm doing bad with aiming the camera today. Let me get these, bro. These are all dirty. I don't know why I still have them.
This one's already.
We have double trouble getting some work done.
Double trouble, baby. You guys good? Montage is good. What the? Oh, clutch. How'd you even see that?
Well, yeah.
Drink.
He got it out, guys. But how you gonna put it back on now?
Clips back on.
I know, but with the wire.
Drill a hole through this.
Oh.
Right through here.
He's a master with holes, as you can see. Oh, man. Alright, well,
That's
I guess.
too thick for that hole.
That's what she said. Bro, this is PG channel. Come on, man.
I'll hold it. Hey, hold it. Go. No, guy. Trust me, it's not gonna. Come. I'll do it from right down there. Just put your hands around it like this.
Oh,
Just
he's
so it
about
doesn't
to get his
pop back
ants chopped off.
up. Just so it doesn't. Nah, this idiot. Look how he put his hand. Look how he put his hand. Okay, here. Yeah, from the sides.
As you guys can see, we're enjoying ourselves. So.
Look, bro. You ready, Alan? You're good. Go. I didn't think I was that strong. Ekbez! Oh
shit.
Oh, I ate it, bro.
Oh man. Let me see the hole.
Are you good?
Yeah, I'm good. Look, bro. It's about, what is that? Like
And now,
1/4 inch diameter.
now
What are we doing?
make it wider.
Alright, guys. I'll catch you at the next update.
What's up, guys? It's Alan we doing here. We got the man himself. What up, Louis?
What up, dude?
Hooking up that bitch.
Wait!
Hooking up that stuff on his car.
Yalla!
LED lights, the underglow. Perfectly legal, guys. We got permission from the police. Dearborn police. Alan's Ram. That's me. Biggest front end in the city. Mopar, no car. Your boy Alan. We got a whole lot of tools. Lloyd, what do you got to say?
I got one of the wires.
You got one of the wires, that's progress. See, we're trying to fit the wires to that hole right there. Hey, let it focus.
Is it recording or do you just turn it on?
Now it's recording.
Alright.
And then we gotta fit all these in that little hole. Seems like Lloyd's pretty good at that though. I don't know. We're gonna put a laugh over that one, right?
You just connect it.
Wait. That's the male, that's the female.
You push it on. Hold on.
High focus this thing.
Yeah, focuses itself.
There you go.
Just, what the fuck?
Alright guys, you guys got the point. We'll check back with you.
There you go. See,
Once these lights
Once
It
these
goes
lights are
in,
on,
and then you just tighten it.
clap it up for Loai. Yeah! Cold water.
Not sponsored. Why you smelling?
Tell him what up, Jafar.
He's on his phone.
Oh, he's talking on the phone. All right, guys, check back with you later. How am I doing? Not much to say. Peace out. All right, guys, so we're getting to the last part now. We
Doesn't
got.
matter which ground I put it in, right?
I don't think it does.
So we got.
Huh?
No.
So we got everything plugged in through here. We're gonna put some silicone shit around there to cover the hole. And then all the wires are here. I'm low-key not even gonna touch them and just let it be since it's gonna be in the trunk. And now I got everything connected to the Ghost controller. And now we're just getting this wiring connected to ground and positive. So that, look, I'm not even showing the camera right. So that we can get it connected and ready to go. Does it just plug in like that?
It's not going in that thing.
But does it just go in like that?
Yeah.
Okay. And then after that, we just got these positive and negatives to connect to the battery. Just look over here on your controller to find positive. The positive is 12 volt, and then the ground is just ground. And then yeah, I'll catch you guys and hopefully get a first start of this underglow. I know it's pretty dark. We got dark real quick on us, so we'll just pick you guys up when the lights are working. All right, chill out. Recording? All right, guys, show them. We got the battery, everything connected over here. The positive, negative, connected into the controller. We didn't finalize this because we want to see if it's gonna work. So
Yeah, nothing's finalized yet.
this is a live test, guys. Okay. So it's not pulling up over here. Blue Ghost not found. It's only pulling up my headlights. Alright, guys, so fast forward 2 months later, about 2 months later, that controller that you guys just saw did not work. I don't know why it wasn't working, but I contacted Lighting Trends and they sent me a new controller. So let's go ahead and pop this trunk open. Let me get all this stuff out of here. Move my homework bag, whatever. Alright, so as you guys can see, they sent me a new controller and I was wrong. So the positive gets connected to the 5 volt, which is the first one here, and the negative gets connected to either ground. There's 2 of them, so you pick one. So that's the way it is. And the way I did it, because these 2 wouldn't fit, so I just connected both. I made an extension type thing, as you guys know, different way, and then just plugged it in. So I did test it, it did work. And what I'm about to do right now is just electric tape those so they can get secure and basically clean things up, put the cover back on this. And yeah, I'm not gonna show you that part because that's not necessary, but fast forward till nighttime and then I'll insert a clip of everything and we'll end the video there. So I'll see you guys in about 5 hours, which is like 2 seconds for you. Here we go. Alright guys, as promised, we're gonna do a night clip of the underglow. So right now I have my headlights dimmed down, that's why it's kind of dark right now. So I have the app right here on my phone with all my options. So we're gonna start off with the flow half. Oop, let it unblur, there you go. We got it all around the car. You know what I mean? We got other options as well. I'm gonna put my Skittles options, and that's how that looks. And then I'm gonna do my cops light, and that's how that looks. There's a lot more options. Here's firecracker. There's many more options than that, and I can customize all of them. Actually, there's an option where I could even connect the controller just like my headlights for turn signals. So when I do the right turn signal, this will go with it. When I do the left, that will go with it. All that, but I didn't get that option because they're gonna be off when I'm driving, or else I'm gonna get a ticket like I just did coming here. So shh. But yeah, this is how it looks at night. Super happy with this. When I go to car meets now, it's gonna be a very colorful and bright car meat, you know what I mean? And that's how it looks from the front. I haven't even showed you guys that. What you guys think about that? Leave your comments down below. Let me know what you guys think. Is it too much or is it just perfect? So yeah, with that being said, this is gonna be a wrap for today's video. I hope you guys did enjoy. If you guys did, make sure you smash the like button, subscribe to the channel, because we are almost at 1,000 subscribers. I believe by the time this video goes up, we're gonna be only like 30 subscribers away, hopefully. So smash the subscribe button. Let's get there. And don't forget, we have a giveaway at 1,000 subscribers, so stay tuned for that as well. And with that being said, it's been your boy Hemi Life. Peace out.